Sunte SPB series electro-hydraulic CNC press brake. The frame of whole machine adopted steel plate welding. Through the tempering process, it can eliminate the welding stress and the working deformation. Make sure the machine with a durable accuracy. The electro-hydraulic valve group is made of German Rexroth. The grating ruler is adopted Italian GI by constituted an accurate control mode. The slider with a high accurate position feedback, stable operation, and a wonderful synchronization performance. The system adopts Swiss Cyberlac of the special CNC system for press brake. Simplicity of operation. It according to the thickness and length of the plate. The tonnage and compensation value can be calculated automatically. Manual input. Simple and understandable. Drawing input. Intuitively and efficiently. The work table adopts mechanical deflection. Automatic compensation mechanism. The deformation effect of the slider is eliminated. The compensation value is adjusted automatically by the system, which is convenient and accurate. Hydraulic part adopts imported integrated control system, adopted Japanese knock seals, reduced tubes installation, make the whole hydraulic system receive signal timely. The oil tube is durable or leakage resistance. The back cage adopts 4+1 axis structure. Applied Taiwan double linear guide and ball screw. With servo motor, smooth running, high precision, low noise, durable. The mold is made of 42 CR mold material, forging with integral heat treatment, hardness up to 46 to 48 degrees. Surface with precision grinding, highly polished, accuracy up to 0.02 mm. Other parts of the machine are equipped imported and domestic first-line brands, quality assurance.